today I have the cochlea with me and we'll be doing a quick demonstration of this model. So let's begin. First of all, these are the bony structures or the bony cochlea. We don't need to know this. This is just for a quick demo, this part. If you go over here, we will have the scala vestibuli. So this gap. And now if you go in the bottom of this one, the third one, that's going to be scala tympani. And this thing over here, the whole thing, the whole arch, this is going to be known as the vestibular membrane. Behind the vestibular membrane, there's going to be something called the supporting cell. And then if you go over here, this is going to be called the ossis spiral lamina. And now over here, this yellow part, this is going to be known as the cochlear nerve fiber. This is the CNVII. It's 3 eyes. And now we will have some more detail. So if we go on this dent over here, this is going to be known as the cochlear arteries. And on 22, we will have the mediolus or the axis. And now, in this part, on 20, we will have the spiral ligament. And now if we go over here, in 15, this is going to be known as the supporting cell of the glottis. And just to not trick you guys, this one is not supporting cell. This one is scala media or cochlear duct, which is filled with endolymph. And now, right after here, this part, it's going to be known as the basilar membrane. And if you go deeper to it, this red part, it's going to be known as the prominal vessel. And if you go this way, it's going to be known as the spiral ganglion. Then if we go over here, then we will have the limbus vestibular lip. And on 18 over here, on top, you will have the tectoral membrane. Then on 11 over here, we will have the outer pillar cell. On 10, you'll have the inner pillar cell. And on 12, it's over here, you'll have the inner tunnel of Corti. Then over here, this may seem tricky because there's 3 13ths. All 3 of them are going to be supporting cell of the diater. And then if we go deeper, this is going to be the outer tunnel of the Corti for sure. Yeah. And on here, this is going to be inner hair cell. And this part here, guess what this is? This actually is going to be the cochlear arteries. And now if we move on this part, you see this? This is going to be the spiral ganglion. And now, as I mentioned, here's going to be this supporting cell, and it's going to be for Henson. And this over here is going to be prominent vessel, as I talked about. And this is it. Thank you so much. Bye. Great day.